So good everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be showing you how to fix this car. This is Benz model C300. As you can see, it's looking rough, it's looking ugly, and it's also looking dirty. And we have some things to also fix at the engine parts. So we are going to be fixing the engine and also doing body works. So I would like you to stay with us till we finish this video. As you can see the car, we're going to be showing you how we fix it and the end products of this car. As you can see, this is what we're going to be fixing today. So we just want to show you the full video of how the car looks and what. So here, right here, we are working on the engine. As you can see, we are working on the engine, and there are a lot of things we are going to change in this engine. So as you can see, the engine, we're still working on it right here, working on this engine, as you can see. So now here are some things we're going to change that we have changed in this car. So there's some things we have changed in this car, like this. We also changed this one, we changed this also, and we also changed this. We changed a lot of things actually in this car. With this is the other one. Now this is when we're working tires, because we changed the rims. The rims are so bad, we have to change them, the 4 wheels rims rather. We changed the tires, we changed the tires also, we changed the rims to these are the rims we changed. So now, as you can see, there's a hole in this bumper. So these are part of the body works we did. As you can see, yeah, look at the better view here. I'm showing you under one of these. Yes. So now this is when we have fixed the car. We fixed everything we are supposed to fix, and now we are testing the engine. As you can see, it's working fine, it's working perfectly. I'm showing you a video on how we fix the engine. So these are part of things we changed over there. That's our workshop. So you can call us, we can do things like this for you. Yeah, these are part of the things we have changed. As you can see, it's looking nice. So this is the end product of the car. This is the end product. We finished it here. It's now looking beautiful and really good. As you can see, we've changed the rim. The end product of the car is looking good. Would you even notice that this is what we fixed? It doesn't look like the old one at all. Yeah, we can do this for you. Look at the front view of the car. There's no more holes in the bumper. We've changed everything. The lights are working perfectly. Wow, this looks really nice. Yes, you can see it. It's really, really nice. It's really flashy and sharp. Now after this, we're going to be showing you how we test drive the car, because we're going to be test driving this car and we want to show you how we test drive it. So stay with us. Right, so this is where we're test driving the car. As you can see, it's moving well, it's working perfectly, it's moving really, really well. As you can see in this boot, these are tires we changed. It's working perfectly. This is Benz model C300. What we turned it into. It's really, really good. So you can call us for this. Our number is just down here on the screen. You can call us for this. We can help you to do this. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.